Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into PlayStation. For that, just open their official website and then tap on sign in button, and then what you need to do is tap on create an account button and tap on create. Now you have to select your country or region, and after that select your language, tap on next button, and you need to enter your date of birth and tap on next button again. You have to verify your age and tap on continue button, and now you have to scan your face or use your ID, and let me just scan my face ID, and for that you need to give consent and tap on continue button. And after scanning your face ID, it will estimate your age and verify that you are not minor. And let me tell you, it will not store your face data or anything. It will just scan your face ID, and after it verifies your age, it will delete your photo. And then you have to go back to their website and then tap on continue button, and now you have to enter our email address, and now you have to create a new strong password, and then you have to tap on, and now you have to enter your city, postcode and province of London, and after that tap on next button, and now you have to enter your online email ID and tap on next button. And after that you need to enter your online ID, that is not optional, that is, and after that enter your first name and enter your last name, and then tap on next button. And now it will send you, you'd like to receive information. Now it will ask you how you would like to receive information about new products, and tap on select one of these and tap on this button, and that is how you can sign up into your PlayStation. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.